I have to think about which lever I'm using because normally my right hand would be my rear brake, but it's reversed on this bike. So very strange. Now we're on the south side of this hill and it's getting awful muddy. The bike's powering through all of this stuff very easily. Not an issue at all. I'm in pedal assist 4 right now doing these little climbs and the windy stuff here. Just doing a leisurely trail ride today. Check out the bike and see what I think of it. So far the power's been awesome, and the fact that we just climbed right up that first super steep hill just testifies to the fact that the gearing, stock gearing, really is pretty good on it. Definitely has much more of a traditional mountain bike feel than some of the other bikes that I've been riding lately. It's got a very low forward position for your hands and all. And the fact that we just climbed right up that first super steep hill just testifies to the fact that the gearing, stock gearing, really is pretty good on it. Definitely has much more of a traditional mountain bike feel than some of the other bikes that I've been riding lately. It's got a very low forward position for your hands and all. I'll stop right here and show you what our view is. So down here is Denver, Colorado, and we've got some of the big lakes and the residential area between us and downtown Denver. So we did a good climb up onto the top of this mesa here, and then we're working our way back down the other side. We'll see where this comes out, and then we should be able to get a little bit of road riding as well. I'm happy to say we've done some pretty heavy braking here in the last mile or two, and haven't had any squeaking from the brakes, so that's awful nice. They feel very positive and nice. Almost missed that. These are some pretty slippery conditions, but the tires are sticking well, so no complaints there. Every once in a while I'll slip a little, but definitely to be expected here. So let's figure out which trail I want to go on here. I think I want to take the lower neighborhood access. That sounds right. I see some other fat tire bike tracks out here. It's really the only thing that can ride these kind of trails right at the moment. The fork's doing a nice job of soaking up the bumps. For a spring fork, it feels real good. Wish I could fly my drone today, but it is way too windy. Just can't even begin to launch it in this kind of wind.